Welcome to Control Panel. This is a Start button. Click here to open Control Panel. This is a Control Panel window screen. Category: to change the view of icons. This is the search box of Control Panel. It is used to search options in the Control Panel. This is Title bar, used to resize the Explorer. System and Security, which contains your computer status, security systems, find and fix the other problems of the computer. User accounts and family safety. It changes user account settings and password. Network and Internet. It checks your network status and tasks, also configure internet display and connection. Appearance. It is used to change your desktop background and adjust screen resolution. Hardware and sound. It adds or removes printers and other hardware and change system sounds. Clock, language and region. It changes the date, time and time zone for your computer. It adds clock gadgets to your computer. It also changes Windows Live language settings. Program. It uninstall program and also view install updates. Ease of access. It makes your computer easier to use by changing your mouse works, keyboard works, etc.